Welcome to Touch Technology Review. Today we're checking out the SR USB Mini Compact Microphone, and of course, as with all of my microphone reviews, I'm providing a audio sample of the microphone, and that's what you're listening to right now. I'm syncing up this audio file which I'm recording into my iPhone. I'm syncing it up in post-production combined with the footage of the Canon EOS R camera that's shooting this opening scene. And this is exactly what the microphone sounds like out of the box without any EQ. And you'll notice it has a very low self noise. There's not much noise going on in the background at all. It's done a great job of isolating the vocal, eliminating the room noise, and I've got it situated on the desktop here at about 10 centimeters away from the vocal source. So if you want to do even a greater job of isolating the vocals, if you're recording a podcast, you can bring it up much closer and you'll get a more direct sound like you're hearing right now. And this is how I tend to record my vocals for most of my videos. I like to get in nice and close and personal, and it just sounds so much better. So depending on the type of application you have in mind, you can either have it on the desktop or get it up nice and close on some kind of a stand. You could use a dedicated boom stand. I've got the Boya boom stand here, which I use for my other microphones. You can pick this up for around $100 or thereabouts, and I'll leave a link to where you can get it in the description box below. Incidentally, if you do want to buy this 7 Rhymes microphone, you can get it on Amazon right now for around $79 US. Moving on with what you get with this microphone. First of all, you get the microphone itself. It's on a swivel stand, and you also get 2 cables, a USB-C cable and a USB-C to USB-A cable. So no matter what device you want to connect it to, whether it's a mobile phone or computer, you can connect it to pretty much any device or computer that you might have. In terms of the microphone itself, it has a 16mm condenser capsule with a cardioid pattern, which means that it biases the sound coming in from the front of the microphone and it rejects noise coming in from the side. So if I turn the microphone around, you'll notice that it's now sounding much more hollow and distant because it's pointing towards the wall in front of me, picking up that as the main audio source. One other feature that it has is a built-in pop filter, which helps reduce plosives, and that's not common on many microphones. It actually includes a carry case as well in this suede type material, so if you do need to take it with you in your carry bag, it will protect it from getting scratched. And the idea behind this microphone certainly would be that it is portable, lightweight, and easy to carry around. And finally, you can detach it from the stand if you want to mount it onto a boom arm in order to get that close and personal vocal. As I mentioned earlier, I would be doing that if I was recording a podcast, and you'd be having it at about 3 centimeters away, and it does really help eliminate the room noise further and give you a more direct sounding vocal. So that's highly recommended for those of you wanting to use this type of product for podcasting. Otherwise, for convenience alone, just having it on your desktop, you can certainly just use the desktop stand provided, and it sounds quite decent as is. Let me know what you think of the audio that you listened to on this video today. Do you think it sounds great? How it compares to other microphones that you've heard me use on the channel? My Rode NT1, my Boya USB microphones. I've got videos on various microphones that I've tested out, and I'll leave a link to those in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit me up with a like and consider subscribing to the channel, and you'll be notified of up and coming video releases. See you on the next one. Bye for now.